Here I have the tool caddy and the swing arm just sitting on the anvil base so I can get an idea of where to position everything. This crosspeen has the longest handle of any of the hammers that I own, so I'm using it to figure out how far out I need to position the tool tray. I need the tool caddy to fit inside the H-beam, and I want it to be able to swing clear of the workstation beam that I've added to the outside edge of the anvil base, so you can see how I'm going to need to add a plate to extend that angle iron. Now that I'm comfortable with the location of everything, I'm ready to start welding everything back in place. Here I'm welding the hinge post in place. I've already tacked it and double checked the swing arm to make sure that everything's in the right position. Now I'm ready to weld the extension plate to the pivot post. I still have the tool caddy bolted to the swing arm so that if I ever want to make any modifications or changes to it, I can easily just unbolt it, make the modifications, and then reattach it to the swing arm. So here's how it looks when it's all together. When it's in this position, I have full access to the workstation beam at the end of the anvil. And when it's in this position, I have full access to the anvil for forging.